Christmas. I was having problems. Video, I gotta go see if I can help the neighbors with the machine. I have about a half tank of fuel on it. All right, let's see if we can help out our neighbors. I was so frustrated yesterday with the chute getting clogged. Oh, I was going crazy. Now let's run down to this neighbor. Oh, he's a mess. Okay, they're outside. So we gotta take care of them, right? They're struggling. They're all out there shoveling. I really don't know where the center of their driveway is. So let's try shooting. Let's try shooting. I can't even turn around here. Crank this up. It's not even wide enough for me to spin this around. So let's get some width here. stranded. One is showing me I have a half tank of fuel, and another one's showing me I'm below half a tank. I think we only have one fire hydrant on this street. Boy, it is a mess here. Let's spin around. Let's widen this up over here. Wow, they're a mess. I have room now to maneuver. I've had to turn the heat off. It's getting too hot in here. My camera's overheating. So we got some cool air going in here. I wonder if I should open. Okay, here we go. I lost my camera. My 360 camera overheated. GoPro's cooling down. Boy, that was bad. So I think I know where the edge of their driveway is by this tree. I always used to scratch my cab on it. So I'm gonna try to go back up and reload. Okay, so I'm gonna line up with that tree. And I think that's the edge of their driveway. I hope they don't have any big wooden stakes, snow stakes in here. And I'm gonna bust through to where they're blowing snow. Bust through. Fuel gauge. Working away. Jack, you guys are, man, you were buried.
Yeah.
I couldn't even turn this around at the street.
Well, we were saying that, we were like, Jesus, I hope he can get through, because we're not going to be able to get to him.
George, you had no room at the end of the street.
That's for you guys.
No, you don't have to do that.
They will kill me if I come back with this.
George, thank you. Merry Christmas. I was having problems with it yesterday with the shoe. It kept clogging. So, and I had like 25 feet at the end of my driveway, 5 feet high. And the chute kept clogging yesterday. So I guessed at the width of your driveway. Do you have snow stakes? No. Okay. You think you're
Definitely.
okay? All right. All right. I don't do this for this. You know that. And
Really appreciate it. Yeah.
what a storm. The worst storm in my lifetime. Even the blizzard of 77.
Yeah, we think so too.
All right, guys. Merry Christmas. Thank you. You didn't have to do that. All right. Are you good?
Yeah, oh yeah. We can do the rest now. We're going to take credit for the whole thing.
All right. I got your mailbox pretty good. Hopefully the city will come through.
Yeah, no, we can work on
All right, guys. Merry Christmas.
that.
I'm sorry I'm late.
No, you're good.
Technical difficulties. All right, give me a big Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Okay. I feel bad. They were counting on me. They were watching me yesterday as I was struggling with this machine at the street. And that's a good feeling. They were counting on me. This was bad. Bad storm. I might widen this up for them a little bit. They don't have any snow stakes in. And they're gonna chisel it away with their snowblower. This was bad, guys. Man, I was overheating in here. The camera overheated. My 360-degree camera shut off because it was too hot. I had to open a window in here and I actually turned it to cool. Oh, his drive, he looks good. Wow, he cleaned up his driveway. Okay, he's in good shape. He's got a little errands that really kicks butt. You know, he might even have a Toro. Oh, and my neighbor, the site work contractor, looks great. His driveway looks beautiful. Now the people at the end of the street, I gotta see how they are. I don't remember their driveway, but at the very least, and I don't know them well. Oh my God, this thing was a mess here. Look at how narrow this is. I gotta hit this again. Bad. It was just so bad. The wind, I lived, the blizzard of 77 was just an incredibly bad snowstorm. I was 12 years old, and 12 or 13. And that was, our schools were closed down for 2 weeks. Again, remember, that was an era, no one had front wheel drive cars. Okay, so I think they look pretty good. Maybe I'll make this a little wider for them now that I know they don't have snow stakes. All right, let's try to make this a little wider for them. They don't have snow stakes, and I know they're not going to be upset if I gouge their grass. So let's go a little wider for them. Beautiful family. She's knocking down the door at 2,600 RPM. She bounces 26, 2650. Fast. Okay, so active speed management's in. I got a heavy foot. About 3/8 of a tank left. But they have something. I'm going to get them a little wider on this side. this. So let's get them a little wider. Go beyond this bush because I don't know what's there. And they can clean it up. So I got them maybe 15 feet wide. He put in a beautiful concrete driveway. Okay, so they're pretty good. They can chip away at this. Give them one more. Again, I'll repeat, I did this with my tractor open station before I had a YouTube channel. Sometimes at night, I'd go on snow blowing rounds and just check neighbors' driveway and clean them up. So I'm not doing this for content for my channel. I don't do this for content for my channel. This is, as you know, many of you have commented, this is a very expensive machine, and I like to share it with my neighbors when I can. So that's why I do this. And her driveway, I did her driveway. Man, that looks beautiful. Their driveway, whoever plows their driveway, I think does an excellent job. All right, let's see my neighbors up here, who I don't really know.